In this video, we'll be teaching you how to use the 8mm Super 8 film conversion with the Wolverine Movie Maker Pro. Start by identifying what type of film you have with you today. Standard 8mm film will have larger rectangular sprocket holes lined up between the frames, while Super 8 film will have smaller square sprockets lined up in the middle of each frame. Insert your SD memory card into the port on the back of the machine. Make sure to insert and push it down until it snaps into place. Turn on the Movie Maker Pro by pressing the power button. Mount the reel directly to the reel arm on the left side of the machine. Mount your empty reel provided on the reel post on the right side of the machine. Follow the film routing diagram printed to route the film. Open the film door if it's not already. Run the film across the light table, positioning the film under the 3 tiny white tabs along the light table. You may need to twist the film slightly in order to get it clipped underneath the tabs. Continue following the film routing diagram to route the film and connect the free end to the empty reel on the right side of the machine. If there is any extra blank film at the beginning of your reel, manually advance it until you get close to the first actual frame on the reel. This way, you won't have a whole lot of nothing at the beginning of your video. Leave the film door open until it is completely mounted and routed according to the diagram on the machine, and then close the film door. Press the menu button and use the up or down arrow button to highlight the options you would like, and then press enter to select. Any frame adjustments should be made prior to recording. You can do this by pressing menu and selecting frame adjustment. X will shift the frame center to the left or right. Y will shift it up or down, and W will zoom in or out of the frames. Make any adjustments you would like, and then select enter, and then menu to go back. Now you're ready to record. Slide the film selection lever to the left for 8mm or to the right for Super 8 according to the type of film that you have. Then press enter. Select your film type as it appears on the screen. Press the enter/start/stop button again to start recording. A red dot will blink in the upper left corner of the screen while recording is in process. Press the stop button again to stop the recording. The video file of your recording will automatically be saved to the SD card. Please make sure to consult the conversion chart to ensure that you have left yourself enough time in your reservation to convert the length of film that you've brought with you. Now that your conversion is complete, please be kind and rewind the film reel. Open the film door and remove the film from the light table. Swap the reels so the empty take-up reel is now mounted on the right reel arm, ensuring that you flip both reels. The sprocket holes on the film should now be on the bottom. Follow the film rewind routing diagram in dotted lines and follow the rewind instructions on the screen. Do not close the film door. Press the enter button to start the rewind process. Before you leave, remember to remove your film and the SD card from the back of the Movie Maker Pro and then power off the machine. Make sure that you transfer your file from the SD card to a USB or another way to bring your film home with you.